If you notice some of the top performing commercial cleaning provider, you will realize everyone has SDR and they are paying huge amount of money with their salary. But what if I tell you, you don't have to spend huge amount of money, but you will get the same amount of result. Hello everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm a professional cold caller and appointment setter, and it's been a while I've been doing cold call for different types of businesses. I've worked with restoration company, I've worked with commercial cleaning company, and I have also worked with restaurant cleaning company. So with my very variety type of experience, I can easily say I can easily generate 10 to 15 appointment every single week for your business. So let's talk about the process. The process I follow is very simple. I will generate the lead, I will call them on your behalf, I will book them into your calendar, and all you have to do is give them a code and give them a visit. So the lead I will be providing you, it will be a verified lead, so you don't have to worry about anything. So why you should work with me? Number one, there is no commitment, there is no upfront cost. You will be getting the qualified lead. I will be dialing the numbers, I will be doing the follow-ups, and all you have to do is give them a visit, give them a quote, and I will take care all rest of the work. So here you can see some of my samples, what I've did so far, and if you want any reference, I can give you the reference as well. So yeah, let's talk about the pricing. So if you want to work with me, you have to deposit $50, and this $50 is for the dialer, because if I provide you absolutely free of cost, if I don't charge you anything, you might there is a possibility people ignore the appointment. So you have to deposit $50 and you will get around, let's say, three lead absolutely free of cost. And if you are satisfied with the lead, definitely we can chat more about it. But if you can see, I have charged around $40 to $50 per lead. So yeah, if you have that was all about it. It's around $50. It's not at all. Yeah, so if you have any question, just let me know. If you have any burning question, you are facing any problem regarding lead or communicating with your customer or anything like that, just let me know, and with my experience, with my community, I will help you with my experience. Yeah, that was all about it. Thank you so much for your time, and I will be talking to you soon. Thank you for your time.